Hi and welcome to the video. So this is going to be a really quick one. I've just got this basic image here that was generated in ZImage Turbo or ZImage Turbo depending on where you are in the world, and I'm using Draw Things on a Mac as my platform of choice. So I've got this here, you can see at the bottom, a very simple prompt, getting a result that I really like. The one thing I didn't like too much, I just wanted to reduce the appearance of the freckles a bit. They've bit closely grouped here, a little bit blotchy, and I just want to sort of minimize the look a little bit on this. I still want them to be there, I just want it to be a little bit more natural, but I didn't want to change the composition. So the easiest way to do this, in this particular scenario anyway, isn't changing the prompt or the sampler or anything like that. It's to simply drop the text guidance value from 1, which is the default, to 0.7. Now you can see the difference, that's all I've done. And if I go back and forth between that, you can see that the version that I've dropped to 0.7 is a lot more natural. It's subdued those freckles, but it hasn't really changed the image in any other way. So it still looks like the same subject, the same composition, angle, lighting, everything like that. It's just done that. And the reason why this works is because when you go below 1, it just kind of pushes it a little bit more towards a realistic look. So things like freckles that you've described in the prompt become less pronounced when you go the lower side. So if you go less than 1, you can go a maximum of 0.6. I've found any lower than that and it just starts to, your image gets completely messed up. Whereas if you went above 1, it would emphasize the freckles even more if that's something that you wanted. So the only downside of this is it doubles your render time because you're going outside of the 1 guidance, which is the default value for turbo models, but it's such a lightweight model anyway that I don't think that's a problem. And that's it, just that quick tip. I thought it was worth sharing, and I'll see you in the next video.